Let us start with next one. That is question number 16. Identify B and D in the following sequence of reactions. So first what they have given, CH2 double bond CH2, which is nothing but ethene. Ethene has to be reacted with what? Concentrated sulfuric acid. So when ethene is subjected to concentrated sulfuric acid, here we know that sulfuric acid ionizes as H plus and HSO4 minus ion, where it can be obtained as CH3, CH2, HSO4. Further, this A has to be subjected to what? It has to be subjected to hydrolysis upon heating. When it is subjected to hydrolysis, here H2SO4 gets eliminated, and again we are getting CH3, CH2OH, which is nothing but ethyl alcohol, which is given by B. When this B is subjected to react with PBr3, so when it is subjected to react with PBr3, here OH gets eliminated and it is replaced by one of the bromo, so that what we are going to get, CH3, CH2Br, which is nothing but C, that is ethyl bromide. When this C upon reacting with D, again we are going to get ethene. So again, if I had to get ethene, means I have to remove halogen. This is nothing but dehydrohalogenation reaction, and this dehydrohalogenation reaction is always carried out by a reagent called as alcoholic KOH. So they are asking us to identify B and D. B is what? B is ethyl alcohol, D is alcoholic KOH. That is given by the option D. So D is the correct option. Next one, question number 17. The conversion of metanitrophenol to resorcinol. So let us write the structure. So metanitrophenol, this is the structure of metanitrophenol. Metanitrophenol has to be converted into resorcinol. Please remember, resorcinol means again the same, presence of two OH groups, but one OH group is present at meta position. This is the structure of resorcinol. So here they are asking us to convert para-nitrophenol has to be converted into resorcinol. So first let us consider with this para-nitrophenol. So this is the structure of metanitrophenol. Sorry, it is not para-nitrophenol. They have given it as metanitrophenol. So this is metanitrophenol. Subject metanitrophenol to reduction, that is in the presence of tin and HCl, which undergoes a reduction reaction. So when reduction takes place, OH will be retained, NO2 gets converted as NH2. Further, subject it to diazotization reaction, which is taken place by NaNO2 along with HCl by maintaining a temperature of 0 to 5 degrees Celsius. Here NH2 will be replaced by what? N2 plus and Cl minus. So subject this compound of BDC to acid hydrolysis. So when it is subjected to acid hydrolysis, N2 plus and Cl minus will be again replaced by OH, which is nothing but what? Resorcinol. Hence the first step is reduction, the second step is diazotization, and the third step is hydrolysis, which is given by the option what? D, that is reduction, diazotization and hydrolysis. Next one, question number 18. The compound which gives turbidity immediately with Lucas reagent at room temperature. So here you know the meaning of Lucas reagent. Already we have discussed what it is telling. Turbidity is formed immediately. So if we are getting the turbidity immediately, means it should be an 3 degree alcohol. Out of the given structures, let us identify which alcohol is a 3 degree alcohol. So first option is what? Butane 1-ol, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2OH. This is nothing but a primary alcohol. Option B, butane 2-ol, right? 4 carbons. This is butane 2-ol. So when we check with this butane 2-ol, this particular carbon is a 2-degree carbon. Hence 1-degree carbon is not the answer. 2-degree carbon is also not the answer. Let us go with the third option. 2-methyl propane 2-ol. This is what? 2-methyl, second carbon methyl, propane 2-ol. Here OH group. This is CH3. This is CH3. Yes, here the carbon is tertiary. Hence this may be the correct answer. Even let us check with option D also. 2-methyl propane 1-ol. This is 2-methyl. This is propane 1-ol. So here the carbon, when it comes to this particular carbon, this carbon is also primary in its nature. Hence the correct answer is given by option C, which is nothing but 2-methyl propane 2-ol. Hence option C is the correct answer for the given question. Next one, question number 19. It has been given by power alcohol. So here one should know the meaning of power alcohol. Power alcohol is a mixture of, remember, this power alcohol is a mixture of 80% of petrol. That is nothing but what? Gasoline. It is a mixture of 80% of petrol or gasoline plus 20% of ethanol plus a small quantity. Here a small quantity of benzene is also added to it. This is the entire composition of what? Power alcohol, and this power alcohol is used in internal combustion. Power alcohol is used in internal combustion devices to drive power. Means in the internal combustion engines, to get the power, here we utilize an alcohol called as power alcohol, which is a mixture of 80% of petrol or gasoline and 20% of ethanol plus small quantity of benzene. Hence the correct option for the question is option B.